fine? Is it medium? Is it dense? Definitely picking out a product that's not going to weigh your hair down, but also giving it the right amount of hydration to keep it really healthy. My 3 tips for curly styling are, first, making sure you are towel drying properly, making sure you're taking the excess water out of the hair so that the product can go on properly. My second tip is making sure that you are distributing your product evenly throughout the hair strand, meaning making sure that you're heating it up in your hands, putting it on starting the ends, and then using a wide tooth comb to brush it through, making sure that it coats all the strands evenly. My third tip for curly styling would be using a combination of hydration and definition for your curls. I always start with hydration first to coat those strands, and then adding the definition on top of it to create a really good mixture.